Asterisk. Let's begin with the most forgotten medicine of our time, silence. You see, we've become addicted to noise. We wake up to alarms. We check our phones before our feet touch the ground. We fill every gap with music, calls, scrolling, thinking, constantly thinking. But the soul speaks in silence. Even 10 minutes of quiet every day can change everything. In that silence, your heart slows down. Your breath deepens. And you begin to hear a voice you forgot existed, your own. You don't need a temple. You don't need a mountain. You just need a moment. And a decision to pause. Asterisk. We're so quick to react. Someone says something, and before we even absorb it, we're replying. Defending. Arguing. Proving. But peace doesn't live in argument. It lives in understanding. What if we listened not to respond, but to truly hear? What if we paused before we spoke? What if we realized, not every opinion needs to be shared, not every battle needs to be fought? Real strength is quiet. And real peace is often found in the space between words. Asterisk. Control is an illusion. We plan, we calculate, we try to manage every detail, hoping that maybe, just maybe, life won't surprise us. But it always does. A loved one gets sick. A job is lost. A door we were certain would open, closes. And when it does, we panic. But what if, letting go is not a loss, but a gift? Letting go doesn't mean giving up. It means trusting. Trusting that the river of life knows where it's going. And your job is simply to float, not to fight the current. Asterisk. There's a quiet magic in saying thank you. Gratitude isn't just about being positive. It's about being present. It's about noticing the small things that make life beautiful, a warm cup of tea, a friend's voice, the sunlight on your face. Peace comes when we shift our attention from what's missing, to what's already here. Start a gratitude journal. Say 3 things every night that you're thankful for. And slowly, life will stop feeling like a race, and start feeling like a blessing. Asterisk. Here's a hard truth, not everything deserves your energy. Some people only bring chaos. Some habits only bring stress. And some thoughts? They're not even yours. They were planted by fear, by the past, by comparison. Protecting your peace means setting boundaries. It means unfollowing what drains you. It means walking away, not because you're weak, but because you're finally strong enough to choose yourself. You don't owe anyone access to your inner calm. It is yours. And it is sacred. Asterisk. We live in a world full of noise, phones buzzing, TV blaring, thoughts racing in our heads. But silence. Silence is where peace begins. Try sitting quietly for just 10 minutes a day, no music, no scrolling, no talking. Just stillness. In that quiet space, you'll hear something beautiful, your own mind slowing down. Your soul breathing. The world will keep spinning, but you'll feel still, centered. And that's the first doorway to peace. More. Asterisk. You don't always have to be right. You don't always have to have the last